better get about my way.
That is my dream.
Hello! Hello! Today we're doing origami for the first time ever. Featuring Lucy because she's in the frame too. She is? Yeah. Hi Lucy. It's our assistant. It is our manager. We're gonna start. Wish us luck, and we are starting with some beginner tutorials for origami because it's our first try, and we're just going to wing it. Yeah, like literally we didn't even watch any tutorial before this. So we just put something on and this is like real time. Yes, we're not going to first watch it, we're just going to do it as we watch it. We're just gonna go and fuck it. Let's start. We found a video for some origami butterflies, so we're doing that first. It's supposed to be easy and in 3 minutes, so let's see. Yeah. I saw a video, I cheated a little bit. Bitch. It was like a origami pro explaining origami to kids. So he says origami has 2 rules. One is that it's usually made from a square. And the second rule is that it's never cut. So it's always from one piece of paper. Nerd! And this guy, as you see, started from a square. And it's a pretty small square. It's like the size of his hand. Cut it in a square. Cut it. I need a yellow paper. Oh, of course I need blue one. If we cut it like this, then it will be a square, but it will be bigger than his. This will be some huge ass butterflies. Yes. I didn't fold it correctly. Oh my god. I already. Just wing it. Come on. How am I? Okay, I'll just go with the first try. Yes, I just went like 0 fucks. Yeah. I don't know how to cut. Who am I? Yo, but look, it's not right. I think your eyes need more than one doctor. I don't know how I did that. How did you manage to go so much? Yes, pre-cut your squares so don't get demoralized in first 3 seconds of your trying to do origami. Let's call it good. Square done. Will you start? Okay, so fold again. I need better eyesight for this. Fuck, why is he so fast? And without any explanation, I'm stressed. So far, so good. Okay, I think so. Now, mine doesn't not do that shit. Wait. How? Okay. Check out. No. Like this. Now. I think I got it. I didn't see what he's doing now. Nothing. Just following it. Come the fuck on. What? Like this? No. No. Oh, he's not folding it all the way down. Yeah, I see. And we need to slow that shit down. Okay, so this. No, wait, dude. Okay, I have to pause. Yes. Careful. Why are you upside down? I don't know. It needs to be over this? Yes. No, but it will break. Can we go back? Yes. I have no idea what's happening here. Okay, I did this. It's a little bolt. Looks wrong. Yeah. Wait, I have to watch it again. Why? Why is mine on the wrong side? This, like this. Mm-hmm. This goes here. Mm-hmm. This looks like something from Star Wars. But his wings are bent. Okay, that's right. That's good. Okay. And then, like this. How did he get a butterfly from this? Where did it go? Wait, what? How? You see? Almost. Yeah, mine is almost. Yeah,
But we are missing. Ah, shit, like this.
like what?
You just turn it around.
Ah, okay.
It's a butterfly, look.
Yeah, but his looks like a little bit. Why?
It's because it's a little bit smaller, you know?
No, he
It's not his first time, just to remember. Oh, come on, it's so cute. Look at it. It's true butterfly.
Anyway.
Castaway.
Bye!
Let me see yours. Where is this?
What?
I saw, yeah, it needs to be open like this. He opened it more. First shit is done. I kinda like it. It looks kinda cute.
First one, a success.
Yes. Aww, so cute. I'm gonna do pink.
What do you want to do next?
Uh,
Do you want this traditional crane or
No, I want. What is it? A lotus.
really?
Yes. I want to have some garden with these
Guys,
butterflies.
it says easy lotus origami. Guess what? We need a square
You want the pink one also?
or a red one, whatever. Choose the color. You will be left with flowers.
Choose it today. Choose your character. Ahoy there.
Square number 2. Why are we going so fast?
You can always pause it, you know?
Wait for me. I have little legs.
Oh shit. I think this paper is too fat for this.
Chunky boy. My fingers hurt.
Yeah. I'm tired. I'm tired, Grandpa.
What kind of violent origami is this? And he's like here. Now what?
And now we pray.
Opens it up. Why?
With
All the hard work.
Bitch. What? What just happened here?
This?
Can we turn back time again?
Yes, but
Because I did not realize the shit. Okay, we opened the shit, even though we just closed the shit.
why does scissors look like that?
How did he manage to stay inside? Haha!
He uses a little bit of force. He pushed it kind of.
Yeah, I did it also. Sometimes the force is the only thing you can use. I just missed like this is so fucking small.
Yeah.
But
You
look,
can kind of feel it.
mine even has this ability to spin.
Blade.
Okay, I will call this a success also.
Yes.
We made a loose
I
flower
like this one.
for a butterfly.
If we had a thinner paper, this would be my favorite.
Yeah, it's very cute. I love this. I think we just found a new hobby.
Yeah.
Like this is 107th hobby we have.
But for a first try, amazing. And this guy was hella fast.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Here's a flower for you.
Call us for more.
One more?
Yeah. I need something to complete this garden.
This one?
No. Oh, no.
A dinosaur. A dog. A fox.
Fox.
Should
A
we?
dragon.
Dragon? Are you sure?
Let me think about it.
Let's see what kind of paper he uses.
Let's just for research purposes.
Yeah?
Let's try to do this shit with this shit.
Okay.
Let's just try it. So bring back.
But it won't be that much prettier.
Maybe it will be.
Okay.
Let's just try to see.
Okay, whatever.
Let's do it. Because if we manage to do this easier with this paper, that means like we're gonna have an unnecessary hard time making a dragon. Oh, ha. Nice. Oh shit.
Do you think it'll be a problem?
No, I don't think so. That is organic. That is lotus that was eaten by a frog.
Shut up. Nobody's perfect.
That's the spirit. I don't know if this one is easier because we did it already, but it's so much easier with this.
Yes. They're so cute. Yeah.
Now we really almost do have a garden. Why am my flower opening? What is happening? Schmetterling! Scheiße! Eine Schmetterling is not padame. So now we have a garden. The only thing gardening is missing is a dragon. Maybe some princesses, but that is us. Am I crazy?
Yes, yes, you are.
Like, is that even a question?
I folded this one.
You know what's fascinating? The moment we start doing something, it's just mess. Like
it's called creative mess.
No, I will just call it mess because it stays messy after all. Yeah.
No, I don't even remember. Like this? Yeah.
How did you? How? What? I went. No. Mao.
Take like the two wood pieces and then twist the paper around if it doesn't go. Twist it the other way. Turn it around. This is dented, you see? Turn the paper around. Why doesn't it do that?
He doesn't do shit.
Okay, here it is.
But how?
No, it's not right. It's not right. It has to be like this. Make it into a square. Yours is into a triangle. What happened? Wait.
My paper.
You broke it.
Yeah.
Look at him.
My paper doesn't do that shit.
Wait, let's see. Let me think. So here,
Yeah.
this has to go inside and then this go like this.
Ah, grazie mille. I think this will not end well. It didn't went well, so. And he kind of opened it after. How the fuck did he?
My other side of the paper looks wrong. What
yeah.
is this?
Yeah, I don't know. Mine also went kind of, but.
What happened, babe? Are you okay?
I folded the upper part also, yeah. And that's how we fucked everything up. We were too sure of ourselves after these lotuses and butterflies.
But does it say beginner? No, he just says slow.
Yeah. We just went full on.
But his has corners here.
Yeah, mine too. See?
Yours has corners?
Yeah, it's like this, then you go like this.
Why don't I have those? What happened to my paper?
I honestly don't know.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
You're gonna get a snake, not a dragon.
Here. And then we were. I have to go. I have to start over. What the hell did happen with my paper? How did I lose so much
I'm crying.
material? Oh, there's the thing. Okay.
The other side, yeah. And
Yeah, I folded the whole thing. That's why I lost. That's why it was so complicated. This was not that hard. Okay.
Then you open it.
Like folds.
Yeah. How many folds does he need in a tail? Okay, my paper doesn't do that shit. It's not gonna go there.
Where does this triangle in the middle come from?
I don't know. It just.
You have it.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, it just it appears
From where?
from somewhere before.
I don't have that. I messed up again. That's why I have this stupid head.
The
This is the corner. I have it down here. Yours is flat. This. Turn it around. Yeah,
it needs
I
to
have-
have legs. Yes.
I have a point that I failed miserably.
It's standing on its own.
It's cute. It looks like a dragon. I have a pigeon. I'm improvising.
I see. So this is kind of a dragon.
Mine is not even close. But
My conclusion is this. We went too far from butterfly to trying to make a dragon.
But it is a challenge.
It is. It is what it is. Like, it is semi-dragon, I cannot say. For the first time you can like, if you see the tutorial, it's like on the way there.
I'm just not satisfied with the face. I don't know how to fix the face. It just looks stupid. She missed a few classes.
Yours is beheaded. Castaways, we are. Oh, like, they're like
Two stupid friends.
you went through the storm, and mine was just a little bit jumping on the buildings, like direct in the glass. Here, you see a dragon here.
Let's show them. This misery.
But they're kind of cute.
Castaways. We are castaways.
Ahoy there, ahoy. Ha! You flew. Are we done with the origami challenge?
Yes, I think so.
What is your conclusion?
It was a success if you start small, but it was fun to see if we can do it. We kind of did, but we need a lot of practice.
But what you need to take into consideration, we usually do some crafty things. So if you're not the person who do crafts on a regular basis, don't go with a dragon. You will end up disappointed because this is hard.
Yeah.
It's not so hard, but it's hard enough. Start with flowers and butterflies, and you will be satisfied with your end results.
Yeah, it's kind of relaxing and fun.
Yeah, really loved. I don't know why I never tried to do this shit before.
Yeah, I don't know. I always thought,
It's boring.
no, I didn't. I thought it was like super hard, so I wouldn't be able to do something bigger than a butterfly.
Yeah, I was always thinking this is boring.
I somehow thought that it takes a lot of time to make something like this, but doesn't really.
When I think of origami, I always think about some old grandpa sitting in the Japanese garden and doing this kind of thing,
Yeah.
you know, for relaxing, and it's like something for old people, and it's slow, and but oh boy, I was wrong.
This blue is sweet, well I truly see love
Bye
like
bye.
movie scenes. To do as you think, answers on the way, throw it all away just to